So student, in your book, that is, wait students 1 minute. The first chapter, that is building with bricks. This is a okay bricks pattern for Jagriti school. So just I am going through the, just sir, I can see also the jungle. Now it is okay. I hope now it is okay. I hope now it is okay. So this is the true story of Jagriti school in Murshidabad. When its building was being made, there was a plan to make brick pattern on the floor and walls. Jamal, Kalu and Pierre were the mason for the brick work. Okay. They wanted to get new ideas for the school building, so they took their other friends to see the old tomb of Murshid Quli Khan. See the photos. Okay, it means the photos are given their old pattern for of the brick, and this building has a big floor with 2000 beautiful bricks pattern. Oh my god, 2000 brick patterns are there. They were made by mason long back, about 300 years ago. So one thing it is clear. Now at the first page number 1, so 2 patterns are there, and just page number 2, 3 patterns are there. Page number 2, 3 patterns are there. Okay. So now question is, which floor pattern do you like most? Write it down quickly. Which floor pattern do you like most? Okay. So answer in the chat box. 5. Okay. So I like, okay, all of you are answering. Okay. I like pattern 5. Okay, very good. Next question. That is page number 1. Sorry, page number 2. Next question. Have you seen the patterns anywhere? Have you seen such patterns anywhere? Tell me. Yes, where it is? Where it is? Mention also. Where have you seen this? So, yes, I have seen it in a old building in our native village. Okay, so I have seen it at our native village. Okay. Next, at page number 2 again a paragraph is given. The masons came back excited. Jamal said, oh, in those days they had made so many interesting brick patterns, we had to forgotten this. Let us make some new design on the floor of the school. Okay, so they wanted to make new patterns floor of their school. Each mason made a different brick of the school. Is proud to have such beautiful buildings. Children play and sing on it, and also make new patterns themselves. Very good. So yes, you can write it in the copy. So at page number 3, page number 3, so many patterns are there. Look at the board, look at the copy, not copy, that is NCERT book. The so many patterns are there. Okay, and this is page number 3. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. So it means there 11 patterns are there. Which pattern is made in a circle? Answer it. Which pattern is made on a circle? Very good. J. So answer is J. So okay. Very good. Next question. In which pattern can you see mirror hubs? Draw a line, and now you draw some new floor patterns. Okay, these two are for your homework. These two are for your homework. Okay. Now I discuss about brick. Discuss on about bricks. Okay. At page number 4. So moving on, page number 4. So a brick is given there. Okay, this is a picture of brick. Now tell me how many faces it has. How many faces it has? Yes, 6 faces. Very good. 6 faces it has, because 1 face, 2 face, 3 face, 4, 5, and at the bottom 6 faces. Now how many vertex it has? How many vertex it has? Vertex means that point. These points are called vertex. So how many vertex it has? No. 6 faces. Vertex. Number of vertices. So 1, 2, 3. Vertices mean corner point. Corner point are called vertices. So that is, yes, very good, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of vertices 8. Okay. So a brick has 6 faces and 8 vertices. Next point, how many edges it have? Edge means that line. That line are called edge. How many edges it has? How many edges it has? Yes, 12 edges it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 12 edges it has. 12 edges it has. Now tell me, these faces are rectangular or square? These faces are rectangular or square? Why it is? Other students can see the board. What is your problem? Ankit also, I cannot see the board. What is the problem? Rectangular, yes. These faces are rectangular. Okay? These faces are rectangular. So students, one thing, if you asked if there are any faces in a square, like square, if any faces of a brick a square, yes or no? Is any face of a brick square, yes or no? Yes. So no square faces. Okay. Now students, so there are 8 faces. 8 faces you have told me. Just I am marking it. Face 1, face 2, this face 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is 1 2, it is 7, so 7 and 8, 7 and 8, so 8 faces are there. Among 8 faces, which faces is the smallest face? Among 8 faces, which faces is the smallest face? That portion. This portion is the smallest face. Okay, clear? Now tell me, in geometry that type of shapes have a special name. In a geometry, that type of spaces has a special name. Okay, can you say what type of faces it has? Name of the faces? Name of the shapes. Sorry, name of the shapes. Cuboid. Very good. Who answered? Anushka. Yes, cuboid. It's called cuboid. Okay, and it is called length, it is called breadth, and it is called height. Okay, it means it is length, breadth, and that is length, breadth, and height. Clear it is? Cuboid. Very good. And now I am drawing another type of shapes. You have to say which type of shape it is. Which type of shape it is? Answer it quickly. Which type of shape it is, students? Anyone can say? It is cube. Yes, cube. Now next question. What is the difference between cube and cuboid? What is the difference between cube and cuboid? What is the difference between cube and cuboid? Quickly answer. Anyone? Yes, cube. That was cube. Okay, tell me. What is the difference between cube and cuboid? Cannot see the board. Why? Now you can see the board. So only difference in cuboid, the faces are rectangular face. Faces are rectangular face. And in cube, faces are square faces. Got it, everyone? Yes, very good. Aniruddha. Cube is square type. Yes, each faces are square, each faces are rectangle. Got it, everyone? And so two shapes we have learned here, that is cube and cuboid. Anyone can say what type of shape it is? Anyone? What type of shape it is? It is cube or cuboid or any other thing? Tell me quickly. Today just I am going to that is square, not square, that is called cylinder. Cylinder. Okay, cylinder, gas cylinder. Okay, water bottle, that type of cylinder. Okay, and last shape of today. What type of shape it is? What type of shape it is? Like a football, okay? It is a football. So what type of shape it is? Yes, very good. Who answered? Aniruddha. Sphere shape. Very good. Sphere shape. Okay, this is called sphere. So today we have learned some shape. In the next day we will move on from question number from the page number 4. Thank you, students. Bye. Now time for your attendance. Give your attendance one by one. Give your attendance one by one.